Hello and welcome to Whizz Kids Online. My name is Michaela and today I'm going to show you how we can make some fireworks in a jar. So to get started, what we need is some water in a jar or a glass, anything that's clear so you can see the reaction. We've got some vegetable oil, some food colouring and some Alka-Seltzer tablets. I've also got a pair of gloves here which I recommend because the food colouring might stain your hands. So I'm just going to pop on my gloves. I love putting on gloves because it makes me feel like more of a scientist. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to add the vegetable oil to the water here. I'll try not to add too much so I don't make a mess, which is why I've got the paper towel though. Just under the rim should be fine. And now I'm going to go with the red food dye because it matches my top today. We're just going to add a few drops into the oil here. And you can have a lot of fun with the food colouring because you can mix them together to create other colours. So I encourage you to have a bit of a play around and see what you get. There we go. That should be enough. Now with the Alka-Seltzer tablets, this might be something that you don't have at home already, but they are quite cheap to get at the supermarket, just in the same aisle as the paracetamol. So I'm going to break this into little pieces and then we'll add them in. So let's have a look what happens. There we go. Can you see the bubbles there? Isn't that awesome? So basically these tablets here, the Alka-Seltzer, they release carbon dioxide. And because that's a gas, it's lighter than water. So they shoot up with the food colouring and then the bubbles burst and then the food colouring comes back down in that sort of firework effect. It's a lot of fun. I like watching it. And then you can just keep adding pieces in, keep seeing the reaction. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this encourages you to try it at home, and I'll see you next time.